So 3-inch support, and that's going to come across and it's going to run all the way to this corner of the wall. So it's basically going to move from being a 12.5 foot to being 14 foot 7 inches end to end. So then there's going to be 3 inches under each side of that that's support. It's 2x4 construction. The roof structure is these guys here. These are 11.25 by 1.75 LVL, and I'm going to sister those together. The beams are 16.5 right now, but obviously I'm going to cut them down to down to 14.
Wait, what is the... Okay, it's recording.
All right. Run!
2 down.
Yeah.
I'm recording now.
How's it going?
All right.
I got it. Thank you. How you feeling?
There's nothing there.
That's awesome.
The weight.
Woohoo! That's a beautiful thing.
Okay.
Oh my gosh.
Wow.
Beautiful.
Oh my gosh.
I want this outside.
Just be careful we don't damage the jack stud. I don't think there are a lot of options. Yeah! Alright, John, I can take the weight.
Over the counter.
Okay. You know, it's a much more open concept without the header. It is.
Too bad.
Okay, let's redo it with an I-beam. Okay. Alright, we're taking in the final two support beams. Let's see if the house doesn't fall over. Wow.
Because this is my place, I made sure.
Oh,
You got it?
cheers.
Recording.
Well, we're recording. So
Okay, hi guys.
anyway, there's a cheers. That's what I thought I was
I'll do
doing
the
too.
door thing too, so check it out. We can now do this, which has never been done before today in this house. The door opens, the door comes all the way back across here, and then later on when we reverse the swing, we'll be able to walk into the house. This thing will be so wide open. So we're going there, 14-foot, 7-inch header going across the top. 11 1/4 by 1 7/8 LVL with a sistered in, same size, so a total 3.5. Alright, that's what we got. big step forward. Wanted to give a big thank you to everybody who came over. We had Dave Jr. and Becca and Trevor, Mike, John, me. Then my mom even brought brownies. Thanks, Mom. Bye.